If your Apple Watch is displaying iPhone and Apple Watch icons or a red exclamation point, you might need to recover it. Here's what to do. These steps are compatible with Apple Watch Series 3 and later using watchOS 8.5 or later. Before you start, your watch will need to be charged to at least 50%, and you'll need to keep it on its charger throughout the process. You will also need an iPhone updated to iOS 15.4 or later and connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can use any iPhone, not just the iPhone paired to your watch. Ready? If your watch experiences a problem that requires it to be updated or restored, a recovery screen featuring an iPhone and an Apple Watch will appear on the display. If a red exclamation point is on screen instead, double-click the side button to bring up the recovery screen. Now, bring your iPhone and your Apple Watch next to each other. On your iPhone, tap Continue, and then enter the code that appears on your watch. Your watch will now begin the recovery process, which might take a little while. You can use your iPhone while your watch recovers by tapping OK, but keep your Apple Watch connected to its charger. During the recovery process, your Apple Watch will be updated to the latest version of watchOS. Your Apple Watch will restart when the process is complete, and you'll see your selected watch face and complications. If you still need help, contact Apple Support. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching. Some sequences in this video were shortened.